Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Toyota center console door lid. So this is the part number over here. This is for the first gen Tacoma. Mine's starting to bubble, so it's not looking great. So decided to treat my truck with a new center console lid, so it looks fresh. Well, it's really nice getting the OEM stuff. It's like more expensive than the knockoffs you could get online, but I think worth it. Wow. Wow, so it comes with this here. Dude, fresh. Huh? A little, no, I think that's okay. Wow, this looks really good. This will be a great upgrade to my existing old one. Because my old one is currently like bubbling right here, so it looks really bad. It's starting to crack, bubble. Yeah, looks great. I'm excited to install this. Again, this is the original center console lid OEM from Toyota for my first gen Tacoma. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.